Hey, what's up? It's like February 9th, and yep, February 9th, 11:37 a.m. I'm just chilling, snowstorm outside, missing some money because I'm on this freaking assistance, trying to get off of welfare disability, and I'm missing money because I have a temp thing going on, and snow removal today I could have made probably at least $200 out there. Apartments need snow removal, and trying to get on the right track, trying to do this schooling thing. It's gonna take me a few months to get it all together. It's been a struggle. I don't know if a lot of people struggle like this to try to get it together and make it seem so easy. It hasn't been that way for me. It's been a struggle every step of the way. So anyways, I'm gonna get into something. I guess I'm gonna just do something freestyle real quick. I'm out here struggling, trying to make my ends meet. And so you wanted to snack at me like I ain't from the street. I'll take it real deep, the things that you say to me. Even though I don't cry, I let the pain stay inside. And oh, why does it have to hurt so bad? When I'm out here and I'm fighting to keep what we have. Now you talking about a third party creeping in my sheets with you and with me, 'cause you never loves me, and that's clear to see. But I'ma let it ride and just go along with my pride. Dealing with you, I can't even call you my boo, but it's cool. I'ma just act like a side piece, keep my peace, stay quiet and just do the least. But I've been doing the most, even though I hate to boast. Is this love? It's like a drug, all the pain, just a game. Gotta watch you do someone else right in front of me, the same way that you did all them things to me. This, you think I can't wait to see, but I'ma just let it go with the flow. Live my life, trying to do what's right.